looks so good.
This is it. Oh, it's really cute.
Yeah, it is.
Hey! How are ya? Good to see you. Oh, thanks for having us. Okay, it's so cute.
Yeah, we love the outside.
Let's talk about, I guess, overall, how much do you have to spend on this project?
So we are in the neighborhood of 175,000.
Okay. Out here. Do you like everything? Is there anything you're wanting to change?
We could have a fresh coat of paint.
Okay.
I think.
I feel like if we painted a nice bright coat of white.
Don't love the tile on the front porch.
So what do you envision? What would you like to see there?
I'd be open to other ideas.
Okay. What about the stone pillars? Because
We
it's
could
right
definitely
there.
update that.
Yeah, it's
Would
interesting.
be good with that, for sure.
Okay, cool. This is not an extensive overhaul by any stretch of the imagination outside. Really out here, it's fresh coat of paint, brighten it up, change out the tile, and we'll update the pillars in the front entryway and figure out a solution for outdoor space out here that you guys could really utilize. And we'll touch up the landscaping just a bit. All right,
Cool.
Okay.
let's
Yep.
go inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so this wall here, we'd love for it to go
Okay.
because we want a much bigger space for the kitchen.
This is so cute.
When you look at it from afar, it's really nice. But if you get up close, you'll notice that knobs are falling off. There's scratches everywhere.
Got it. Okay.
So when we moved in, everything in here was brown. We don't want so much brown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the plan in here is we'll remove this wall here to the dining room. We want to open this wall up and have some nice terracotta tile flooring. We'll do updated cabinets that aren't so dark, new countertops, and a nice big island where there's room to sit.
Right.
So this is your only pantry space.
There's a cabinet in our front study room that we thought maybe we could use that for pantry.
Let's check that out.
Yeah.
All this is cute.
Yes, this is our schoolroom.
Oh my gosh, you have a little artist. That's impressive.
We do. That's what she does with all of her spare time.
Wow.
So what do you need then doing school here?
Like we said, this to be opened up, but with the potential to be closed off as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Really more cabinet and more desk space that would be very beneficial. Yeah.
Okay. Really create just a functional school space for the kids.
That would be awesome.
So the plan in here is to steal some space for a pantry in the kitchen and just have this wall opened up. And then we'll put in some pocket doors that will give you privacy when needed. We'll paint and add some space where the kids can work, something that will grow with them and be pretty timeless.
This is big.
This is
right?
big, but there's more, I think.
But we've got
right?
more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got a garage.
Welcome to hopefully our bedroom.
Ooh, I like
Yeah,
that.
isn't this lovely?
Our boys are growing, and they currently share a pretty small bedroom.
And so we're thinking this is our main bedroom.
Yeah.
And then they can share our current bedroom, which is much bigger and better for them.
What would you like?
Bedroom and bathroom
I love
and
it.
closet.
Cool. It's gonna be a fun challenge.
I like it. Like tub, shower, I mean, something all along right in here. Then you have
Yeah.
your full bedroom with your windows.
Would love a walk-in closet if that's possible.
It'd be great.
Yeah.
It's
Good
awesome.
space.
Great idea.
So the plan in here is, first off, we'll close off this room. New flooring, of course, will give you a much bigger window here and carve out space for a big bathroom and then a nice walk-in closet. In the kitchen, I really want to get both of these walls open so that we can really get a sense of the space that we're working with in the dining room and in the kids' homework room.
Hello. You did good.
And now that we've completed the garage demo, we're framing out the new main suite. And Dave and Chase are installing new pocket doors that'll give Kate and Wes the option to close off the kitchen from the schoolroom when needed.
All right, good job, man.
Kate and Wes's bedroom used to be a garage. I want it to feel like it is a bedroom, and I'm gonna have Chase build a little built-in bench. This bench is gonna help the room feel like it is a relaxing oasis at the end of the day. I like it, really, it looks awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Jenny.
And in the main bathroom, we're installing white clay tile in the shower
Makes me heavy breathe just thinking about it.
and a sleek black cast iron bathtub.
Feel like you're not lifting very much.
It just looks really beautiful. It's such a great contrast with that terracotta tile. I really think Kate's gonna love it.
All right, so Kate Walker, her dream here is to have a deck in the front yard. I don't want to mess up the landscaping, so if I get the skid steer and we bring it over. I think if you and Tim can come in and we can just kind of set it in place. This frame is big, several thousand pounds. So we're gonna track it in very carefully, not hit the house. Okay, come ahead, right there. That's the only way to set it. That's the only way to set it. We're using steel. It kind of goes along with the whole design. We've got a steel roof. We've got a steel post that we're gonna put in. So we're gonna use a steel deck. And it's gonna look so good here.
Today, the black granite kitchen countertops are being installed. And the painters have arrived to paint the kitchen cabinets a gorgeous shade of green that'll fit perfectly with the terracotta floors. The landscaping's going around the new front porch. Once we took out those hedges, we kind of had to start from scratch on that space, and the guys are doing an amazing job.
We are in the home stretch. Nice. We've got appliances coming in. Matt and I are putting up lights. There we go. Got the hardware going on.
The faucet looks really good. I love seeing it all come together. So close to the finish line.
This house wasn't in terrible shape. It just wasn't the Walkers. They hadn't put their stamp on it.
It now has kind of like this Mediterranean, sophisticated feel in the kitchen that feels more like Kate Walker to me.
Now they've got the main suite.
The main bathroom is just luxurious and beautiful. You cannot tell at all that it used to be a garage.
We're getting close.
Getting close.
You're gonna love it?
There they are. You're there. All right, let's go.
It doesn't look like our house. Oh, it's beautiful. This is so
Did we mess it up?
pretty.
That's what I need to know.
Right.
You didn't mess it up. Wow.
Look at it. We have a
Oh,
place
man.
to hang out. This is so pretty. I can't wait to have the neighbors over.
I know.
Oh, this is so cool.
Like, we built a steel frame under this so it will never rot.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is all pre-finished decking, no maintenance.
No
you don't have to do
maintenance.
anything.
That's what I wanted to hear. Oh, I love it.
You ready for some more? We have a lot of stuff.
I'm ready.
to
We got a
see.
lot. All right.
Okay, here you go.
There we go. It's our house. Oh, wow.
It is
Perfect.
beautiful.
And this space was already so beautiful. It really was just a little refresh.
Yep.
The biggest change, obviously, is the opening going into the kitchen.
Go in your kitchen and we can explain.
Oh, wow.
It's beautiful. This is not our house anymore.
Oh, awesome.
I mean, there's so much to see.
So just one of this kind of like old world feeling. So it feels like this Mediterranean home. And we have
pretty.
space on the other side. We made sure that there's space for the countertop goes out so you have room
Yes.
for the kids to sit.
We have space.
I know, you do.
Thank you.
So much space.
All right, check out that room there.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is
That is
great.
so pretty. This is so great. The kids are gonna love this too.
What we talked about is this needs to be really timeless so that it can grow with them. We didn't
Yes.
want it to feel like
Right.
kids' space too.
All full-size desks.
Yes. So that's
was your thing. Yeah.
Yes.
You were like, I don't want an alphabet around the room.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna be blown away.
And a little gallery wall, Reese's work.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was behind me. I didn't see it. Oh my goodness.
And her little spy headquarters, which is precious.
Yes.
And your family
Like that.
Yes.
This is better than I could have imagined.
Yay,
Oh,
I'm so
thank you.
glad.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have one final space. Remember, this used to be your garage.
It sure does, right
So,
here.
go
Door
check it
number
out.
one. We'll see. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. Look
Wow,
at
I love
this.
this step down.
Isn't that
Oh,
pretty?
good.
And you kept,
Yes.
I mean, the floor. I love that this is our bedroom floor.
I
Yeah.
do too. It feels
Yeah.
like you're at a spa.
It does feel like I'm in a spa with this window. And then this is really cool.
Isn't that
This
beautiful?
seating over here to use
So
this
Chase
space.
built this. You can come and just sit and read and relax, and that's what this space feels like. It's just this very relaxing retreat.
This was a garage.
Great call.
I know.
Right.
It was.
Yeah.
This is only half of your garage.
Another door to open.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
Oh my goodness.
You got the shower and the tub. Oh,
This
tub
is beautiful.
Awesome.
Wes loves a good bath.
Yeah.
He's the bath.
Really? Yeah.
Well, you know.
So Jenny is the same, and cast iron holds heat, just like a pan. It will hold heat so much longer.
The bad part is it was 1,000 pounds trying to get it in here.
That tub required a little chiropractor visit afterward.
And I love the shower tile.
Again, it's like a handmade tile. Everything feels very natural. It's all just soothing and beautiful.
This was the biggest surprise, I think, this part of the house, and it really looks awesome.
Oh, I love it.
I could really see our family just growing into this home, and I think it's perfect.
It feels like home. It was cozy, but this put all of it together, all of our hopes and our wishes for what the house could be, and now it is.